recognizing that one, in and of itself, viewing this as a social justice moral issue should be enough to fuel our desire to really move the needle on representation. But in addition to that, it absolutely can be data driven. And so it can be frustrating sometimes that the data does exist to support the need for prioritizing DEI and representation. So for example, I often turn to genome-wide association studies on the heel of the Human Genome Project when we were examining mutations associated with a variety of different diseases. The first several hundred of those studies were focused on populations of European ancestry. When you think about the birthplace of humankind, the focus, just from a scientific perspective, the argument easily could have been made for focusing on sub-Saharan African populations and global ethnicities beyond European ancestry. And so it's an opportunity now that we have with decentralized digital clinical trials in which we're presenting a new paradigm to really prioritize in a different way that we haven't in the past. And again, we can do this from a social perspective, and we can do this from a data-driven perspective in terms of looking at health disparities and prevalence of diseases and disorders across populations. We really don't have to go far to get an understanding as to which populations and communities we should prioritize.